Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Are you feeling happy today?
Yes.
Okay, if you're feeling happy, let's start our class with prayer together. And please give up the class, guide us for prayer.
Good morning, everyone. So before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you. Who doesn't come today of the class?
It's Mirza and Darin.
Miza and Darin, why?
Iya, mem yang nggak datang nanti after class saya.
Tidak ada keterangan ya?
Yeah.
Okay, have you breakfast today, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Isaac, what did you eat for breakfast?
I ate fried rice.
Fried rice, nice. How about Naufal? What did you eat for breakfast? I ate bigomok. Bigomok from Medan. Yes. Oh, nice. How about Nia? What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate for breakfast fried rice.
Fried rice. Same to Isaac, ya. Did you make it by yourself or your mom did it for you?
My mom.
Your mom. But have you ever cooked fried rice by yourself?
When I have time for making,
Oh. When you want to make fried rice, what do you do?
of course, rice.
Rice and soy sauce, and then salt,
Pan,
and
spatula,
then
and egg.
an egg. So everyone, have you ever cooked fried rice?
Yes.
Gimana sih step by stepnya kalau mau buat nasi goreng? Yang pertama, kompor, lalu
Oh.
ya terus
Bawang,
terus gimana cara memasaknya? Yang pertama, minyak dan telur arit, lalu mix. Okay, that's right. Thank you for that, sir. Kira-kira kenapa sih, Miss? Tadi nanyain gimana caranya nasi goreng. Kira-kira apa ya? Bukannya belajar malah ngomongin makanan. Karena ini berkaitan dengan materi yang akan kita pelajari hari ini tentang prosedur text. Berdasarkan dari Miss tadi nanya-nanya step, terus bahan-bahan. Kira-kira kalian tahu nggak prosedur teks itu tentang apa? Ya, good job. Aisyah baca.
Procedure text is a text that provides step-by-step instruction on how to make or do something to achieve a specific goal.
Ya, jadi intinya prosedur teks itu tentang langkah-langkah. Kenapa sih Miss belajar tentang teks prosedur? Yang pertama itu how student understand and follow instruction in daily life. Ada yang tahu nggak maksudnya kenapa? Gak ada yang tahu ya? Jadi kenapa sih ketika kita belajar teks prosedur kita bisa mengikuti instruksi secara jelas dengan teks prosedur. Lalu yang kedua itu how student explain how to do something clearly. Dengan adanya step by step, jadi kita bisa membuat something ataupun melakukan sesuatu itu dengan jelas dan membuat kita bisa berpikir logik dan secara sistematik atau terstruktur. Kalian ada yang tahu apa ini? Kalian pernah gunain ini nggak di rumah kalian? Ada yang sering, ada yang enggak ya? Kalian sadar nggak Memberacik ini mengandung teks prosedur loh? Kalian sadar? Ini dia. Can you see clearly? Bagian mana yang mengandung teks prosedur? Can you read it? Is that too small ya? How about now? Okay, how about Nasya? Can you read it for us? The English one ya?
First, we prepare 2 to 3 plates of rice and complements such as egg, fried or boiled chicken, vegetables, leek or cabbage, sausage, meatball, or as desired. And then heat oil, add rice, then mix well. And the last is add 1 sachet chicken instant seasoning for fried rice and complements mix and cook well and serve.
Ya, thank you Nasya. Jadi ketika kalian mau buat sesuatu bisa ya lihat di belakang kemasannya, ternyata udah ada step by stepnya. Selanjutnya, how about this? Do you know what it is? Yes. What is this? Aisyah? Mie instan. Do you like mie instan everyone? Makanan sejuta umat ya. Ini juga mengandung teks prosedur loh. Kalian sadar juga atau tidak? Sadar. Oh iya. How about Zawa, please read us for cara penyajian.
Cara penyajian, rebus mie dalam 400 cc atau 2 gelas. Air mendidih selama 3 menit sambil diaduk. Sementara mie direbus, campurkan bumbu, minyak bumbu dan cabai bubuk ke dalam mangkok. Lalu tuangkan mie dan kuahnya ke dalam mangkok. Aduk dengan bumbu hingga merata. Mie lezat siap disajikan.
Nah, tadi kan udah ya contoh-contoh dari teks prosedur. Sekarang di sini pengen kalian baca teks ini. Nanti kita akan mengidentifikasi language structure-nya. Oke, di sini kasih 2 menit untuk kalian baca. Finish? Finish. Oke. Kalau kalian lihat dari teks ini, kira-kira kalian udah ada yang tahu belum ya struktur dari prosedur teks apa aja? Yang pertama itu jadi apa sih goals itu? How about novel? Can you read for us?
For this goal, tell the purpose of the text.
Raya, can you give the goal from the text how to make burger?
How to make a burger.
Can you write in front? Good job Raya. Thank you. Jadi yang pertama adalah goals-nya yaitu burger. Nah, selanjutnya udah tahu strukturnya apa lagi? Yeah. Second one is Asa, can you read for us?
The second structure of procedure text is ingredients or materials. It is to show the tools or ingredients needed.
Yeah, thank you, Asa. How about Anita? Can you write apa aja sih bahan-bahan yang digunakan untuk how to make a burger? Can you? I think just three materials. Okay, thank you. Give it applause to Anita. And the last one, do you know what's the last one? Are you sure? Yeah, that's right. Angger, please read us for us.
So third one is steps. It explain the instruction step by step in order.
Jadi apa sih step-stepsnya, everyone? The first one is next.
Cook the baked patty on the pan.
Then
Put the cheese on the patty.
after that,
Place the lettuce and tomato on the bun.
and
Put the beef patty on the vegetables.
next,
Add some tomato sauce.
and finally,
Close the burger with the muffin and serve it.
next. Jadi apa aja tadi strukturnya?
Goals,
Oke. Sekarang lanjut untuk language features-nya. Kalau kalian baca dari teks ini, kalian tahu nggak apa aja language features-nya? Imperatif, sentence. Okay, Abdul, can you give the example from the text and write in front.
Okay, thank you. Give it applause to Adi. Jadi apa aja tadi? Imperative senses contohnya?
Would they
Would
choose
they
the
choose?
Next, the language structures is kira-kira apa aja action verbnya dari teks ini?
Cut,
Put,
put, let, close.
Apa aja? And close. Okay. The last one is
Frequency words.
or we always call with conjunction. Kalau dari teks ini apa aja sequencing word-nya? Okay, thank you. Jadi tadi apa aja language features-nya? Yang pertama ada yang kedua dan yang terakhir Oke, karena kalian udah paham ya tadi ada structure, ada language. Sekarang kalian kerjain tugas dari sini. Buat 6 kelompok ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jangan dikerjain dulu ya. Tugasnya itu kalian harus menyusun puzzle ini. Ini kan belum menjadi teks prosedur yang benar ya. Jadi kalian harus menyusunnya dengan benar dan tulis di sini. Lalu kalian harus menentukan apa goals-nya, materials dan language features. Okay, Miss Dina will give you 3 minutes ya. 3 minutes. Finish? Sudah selesai belum? Oke, udah ya. Jadi kelompok 1 boleh mempresentasikan hasil dari diskusinya. Oke, jadi for the procedure-nya, how to make a glass of lemon tea. First put the tea bag into a glass. Then add some sugar. Add a slice of lemon into the tea. Next, pour hot water into the glass. After that, stir the tea well. Finally, serve the lemon tea. Okay. And from the procedure text, the goal is to make a glass of lemon tea. And the material we use is glass, spoon, and kettle. Also lemon. What the language features we use is we use imperative sentence, action word, action verb, and sequencing word. Okay, give it a applause. Because the time is up. Let's review what we have learned today. How about the structure? There are rules, materials, and steps. Language features, imperative sentences, action verbs, and sequencing words. Okay, everyone, thank you for the good work today. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.